so bored, Elsia. We played like every game we can inside. Why don't we go outside and play for a while? Yeah, that's a really good idea, Annia. Why don't we get our swimsuits on and go for a swim in the pool? Yeah, that's a great idea. It's been such a hot day. It'd be nice to go for a splash. Come on, Irish. This was such a good idea. The last one in loves Hans. Check out my gymnastics trick. Oh no, did you hear that sound, Elsia? Oh yeah, I did. Oh no, thunder, that means a storm's coming on. Oh, that's not fair. There goes our swim. Oh my goodness, it's raining so heavy. Oh, alright, come on, let's go inside. It's not fair. Huh? We're never going to have any fun today. Oh no, it's raining. Well, there goes the girls' swim. What are we going to do with them all afternoon now, Elsa? I don't know, Anna. How about we set them up with a movie until the rain stops? Good idea. I'll go and put some popcorn on if you want to pick out a movie. Oh, here they come now. That was such a cute movie. Hi, girls. How was your movie? Yeah, it was pretty good, Mum. But what are we going to do now? Well, good news is the rain stopped, so maybe we could all go outside for a walk. Oh, cool, Auntie Elsa, that sounds good. I don't want to hang around in the house and be bored all afternoon. Come on, Elsia, I'll race you outside. You'll never catch me, you can't catch me. It's certainly cleared up out here now. Why don't we go for a walk down by the river? Good idea. Girls, I don't know if you want to go down by the river. It'll probably be pretty muddy. That's okay, Mummy. We don't mind. Come on, Elsia. Hey, look, Elsia. It's a big, enormous mud puddle. Let me see. Oh my goodness, Annia, it's so disgusting. I dare you to jump in there. I take your dare. After 3. 1, 2, 3. It's so disgusting. Come on, Elsia, it's heaps of fun. Okay, here I come. Oh no. Sorry about that, Annia. Oh, you look so funny, Elsia. This mud's so slippery. Oh, disgusting. Oh no, don't you dare, Fluffy. Don't you dare go over near that mud puddle. It's a cute little puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh no, puppy, you're going to get all dirty in there. Oh my goodness, Fluffy, look at you. You are covered in mud. You come with me, you're going home straight for a bath. Oh dear. And you two girls, oh, what will your mother say? Come on, Fluffy. Hey, Elsia, I got a surprise for you. Oh yeah? Take that. Oh, hi there, Barbie. Have you seen Annia and Elsia anywhere? Oh yes, I sure have, Elsa. They are down there in the mud puddle. They just got my little Fluffy all filthy filthy dirty. I need to take a handful of bath. Come on, Fluffy. Elsia, Annia, are you down here? Oh my goodness, you two, look at you. Hi, Mom. We're just having a little bit of fun in a mud puddle. Yeah, Annie, Elsa, we just found a way to have fun today.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad to see that you found some fun today, but the fun is over. Come on, you two little monkeys. You're coming home for a bath.
This was a fun day after all. I'll race you, Elsia. Fluffy, no!
Don't think you're coming inside looking like that. Over there so I can give you a hose off.
Yay! Water fight!
Hey girls, hold still.
Here comes Fluffy! Yay,